Welcome to my channel where I like to show projects I work on. This project is a very special one, so check it out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's get to it. Hey, what's up guys? Today I am working on some little gifts for my son's kindergarten class. This week I am the mystery reader, so I like to bring in something just to give to the kids. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give out some rulers. Got some blank rulers from Home Depot. They're 1 inch by 12 inches. You can see there's a slight ruler like painted on the one side up to 7 inches. So I'm going to laser the opposite side, customize it for each student, and then I'll just sand off the paint on the other side and spray it with some spar urethane. So you can see this design here. I got it off Etsy. I'll put a link to their store. I could have made it myself, but why not donate $2 to somebody online. This is the store that I purchased the SVG file from. So got a simple ruler here. It's got 12 inches on one end. You got some millimeters on the other side. Got a student's name in the middle, teacher's name, a little school bus, and a little pencil mark. There's also says kindergarten. All right, so this was done in light burn. All right, so the red indicates that it's line. I'm using the Onefinity Cnc. We're going to be doing it at 130 on the speed, 70 on the power. Should be plenty for these little rulers because it is made out of pine. And then the black is set to fill. So if I do window here and preview it, this is what it'll look like. It'll look like that, and it says it'll take about 7 minutes to burn. Alright, so I got to do this about 13 times, one for each student, and I'll probably make one for the teachers as well. Alright, so let's pop over to the CNC and zero our piece and go ahead and burn this first one in. Alright. But before I do that, I guess I got to save the G code, right? So let's close this. We'll go up here to File, Save G code. And we'll put that into the Toshiba. Let's go ahead and make a new file here so they're organized. We'll just call it rulers. We'll open up rulers, and this one was Landon, so we'll do Landon and save. Now we're going to head over to the Onefinity. See you over there. Alright, next thing I'm going to do is I'm just grabbing this ruler. On the side I'll sand. I needed to find center. Alright, I used my straight edge, corner to corner. Made a line, other corner to corner, made another line. Okay. You've watched my videos before. I use dowels to keep me square. Alright, so I just have a piece of pine on there, and I'm going to go ahead and bring the ruler right over to the edge. Alright, to get it squared up. And then I'll go ahead and test fire the laser, get my 0 point, and then I will remove this piece of pine.